Hello everyone, this is Jag, and in this video I will be growing 3 different microgreens in one flat. I will be growing radish, peas, and sunflower microgreens. Now the idea behind growing 3 different microgreens in one flat is to have continuous supply of microgreens as they grow on different intervals. And I will be taking multiple harvests of these microgreens. So let's get started.
First, I got 3 mason jars. I used 1/4 cup of radish seeds, 1/2 cup of pea seeds, and 1 cup of sunflower seeds. I added water to the mason jars to soak the seeds for 2 to 3 hours. To prepare the gardening medium, I added 50% coconut coir and 50% organic gardening soil to the flat. I then added the soaked seeds to the flat. I added radish seeds on the left section, pea seeds in the middle, and sunflower seeds on the right side of the flat, creating 3 sections. The flat has been seeded and ready to grow. I then watered the flat generously. After 1 day, the seed starts to grow. Little shoots come out of the pea seeds and sunflower seeds. The radish seeds grow faster than the other 2. It is very important to spray the flat with water and keep the seeds moist. I spray at least 1 to 2 times a day. After 2 days, the radish seeds have grown rigorously, while pea seeds and sunflower seeds start to grow as well. After 3 days, the radish greens are ready to harvest. Pea shoots are growing but not ready to harvest yet. Some sunflower seeds have grown and can be harvested in the first harvest as well. It is time to harvest the radish shoots. These shoots have grown very nicely and already looking very delicious. I'm going to leave the pea shoots alone for now. I'm going to take some cuttings from the sunflower shoots. This is how the flat looks like after the first harvest. However, these microgreens will continue to grow and produce. Here is the bounty of the radish shoots I got from the first harvest along with some sunflower shoots. After 2 days, the flat is ready for the second harvest. Radish shoots have regrown. The pea shoots are also ready for harvest, and more sunflower shoots have grown and are also ready for harvest as well. I am harvesting all 3, the radish shoots, the pea shoots, and the sunflower shoots. Here is the bounty of all the radish shoots, the sunflower shoots, and the pea shoots. My wife and I made a really nice salad with all 3 microgreens. Here's the flat after the second harvest, and hopefully it will grow 1 more time. I keep adding more water to the flat to support the growth. After 2 more days, the flat is ready for third harvest. More sunflower shoots have grown, pea shoots have finally peaked. Radish shoots are sparse since we already harvested these twice in great bounty. Here is the bounty of pea shoots from the third harvest and some sunflower shoots along with some radish shoots as well.
In 1 week, I had 3 different harvests of these microgreens. I find microgreens very delicious and they're very nutritious for you as well. I enjoyed having these microgreens all throughout the week. I added them to my salads, soups, and sandwiches. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another video.